Students, I'm Pragati, your SST teacher, and today we are going to discuss about the after effect of the battles. In yesterday video, we have studied about both the battles, the Battle of Plassey and the Battle of Buxar. A background of the battle, everything has been well explained in yesterday video, and even in our live classes, we have also studied its background. So today, our new topics will be the after effects of Battle of Buxar, how the East India Company start ruling our territory, and the after effects of Battle of Buxar, how the East India Company start ruling our territory, and what's of that, and how they become the Nawabs, and the other what happened to the Nawabs which were there in our country, or like in the battle, those who were in Bengal, right? The Zafar, Mir Kazim, what happened to them, and how the British start ruling our territory. Events after the Battle of Buxar. What events have been taken place after the battle? First of all, which has been taken that we have reinstalled Mir Zafar. हमने बक्सर की में पढ़ा था कि भी मिर काजिम को मिर जाफर ने हरा दिया, और उन्होंने फिर क्या कहा ब्रिटिशर्स को, दैट ब्रिटिशर्स इफ यू वांट money, I am the only one who can provide you money, and I have not a long life. If so, before I die, give me the kingdom. Let me make me the Nawab, and I will provide you money as much you want. Okay, so he became the Nawab of Bengal. In that reward, he was forced to pay 5 lakh rupees. How much? 5 lakh rupees has been he have to pay to the company every month at that time. Now only if we are getting 5 lakh per month, it will be very a lot. It is a big amount, but at that time it is like the billions of rupees, right? So 5 lakh rupees they have to pay. Who have to pay? Mir Zafar have to pay. Company still wanted more because he was greedy. He was very greedy regarding money, and when he's been getting money and he know that the India is in too rich country, it have a lot of money, a countless amount of money, so they become greedy and they want more, right? Now what happened? By the time when Mir Zafar died, after that, when the time Mir Zafar died, it was year 1765. The battle was played in 1764, and in 1765 Mir Zafar died, right? That time the company moods changed. Company mood कैसे change हुआ? Because they said that every time we have to make a Nawab, then they fight against us, or they don't give us as much money we want. So why don't we become the kings? Why don't we become the Nawab? For that, what they have decided, they decided to become the Nawabs, and now for that, the Clive, Robert Clive, we have studied about him. No? Clive have declared that we must indeed become the Nawabs ourselves. हमें अपने आप, हमें खुद नवाब बन जाना चाहिए. लेकिन उनके बोलने से क्या होगा? वो तो ब्रिटिशर्स है, वो तो फॉरेन से आए हैं, वो हमारे पास ट्रेड करने आए, तो वो कैसे बनेंगे? आपको ध्यान होगा कि मैंने आपको बैटल ऑफ बक्सर में बताया था कि शाह अल्हा टू, राइट, एंड मिर काजिम एंड अल्हा, and who was the third person? Clive. They were all three were fighting, right? So at that time, Mir Zafar, Shah Alam, Mir Zafar died. Shah Allah too was a Mughal emperor. He was a Mughal emperor, and he declared, he appointed the company he appointed the company as a Diwan. क्यों? Because Shah Allah too was a emperor of Mughals. जब after Aurangzeb he became the emperor, he was ruling on Delhi. Now Britishers said that we don't need Delhi, we need Bengal, because everything, every trade, first factory, everything was been formed in Bengal. So the maximum amount of money is in Bengal. Therefore, the company said to the Bengal Mughals that we want this. Okay, we want to be an emperor of Bengal, you make some period and keep on ruling on Delhi. Okay, so there the Mughals appoint the company Diwans, and if Mughal employed put him as a Diwan, then all the Indian people will accept that. Okay, because their king have said so, so they will accept. For example, when our principal ma'am give us any order, any request or anything, if they suggest us, at that time we accept that, we agree to the same, right? Similarly, in this, here who is the principal? Shah Alam II. He was a Mughal emperor and he appointed company as in Diwan. In that case, all the Indian people who were staying in Bengal and the other places accepted them as their Nawabs. Okay. Now, what happened? They got the Diwani rights. Diwani rights are the rights which have been made after becoming the king of the place. What were the rights? उनको जमींदार rights तो पहले ही मिल गई थी, जब बैटल ऑफ प्लासी से पहले हमने स्टडी किया था जो टॉपिक, उसमें उनको टैक्स फ्री हो गए थे वो, है ना. प्लस अब उनके पास क्या राइट्स आ गई? सिविल केसेस की, जो भी लड़ाई झगड़े जो भी चीज़ें होंगी तो उसकी जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैल्यू है, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रूल रेगुलेशन फॉलो अप किया जाएगा, वो भी अब ब्रिटिशर्स ही करेंगे. ये भी राइट as in Diwani right they have achieved. Okay, after this what have, when they have acquired the Diwani rights, अब उन्हें यहाँ पे Diwani rights मिल गई है, उसके बाद कंपनी यूज टू वास्ट देयर रिसोर्सेज इन बंगाल. अभी एक फैक्ट्री थी तो उन्होंने अब फोर्ट बनाने शुरू कर दिए. अब उन्होंने बाकी अपना ट्रेड मेंटेनेंस करने लगे, बहुत सारा ट्रेड करने लग गए. वहाँ पे उन्होंने दे हैव इंक्रीज देयर रिसोर्सेज so that they can earn more and more money. All in things has been vast enough. Then what happened? This created a huge loss of resources to whom? To India. How? Like first, the Britisher used to come to India, they have to spend some money and then used to do the trade. They bring gold or silver coins, give to Indian people. The Indian traders or the Indian rulers, kings give them spices or cotton in advance of, in return of that money, and so we were getting something, no? But now everything is in the hand of Britisher. So the resources, the loss of resources is being done in India. Now here you will understand how these resources lost through the trade before Diwani rights and trade after Diwani rights. Before Diwani right what happened, that the Indian goods, जो हमारे Indian goods थे, हमारे spices, cotton, सब कुछ जो था वो उसका import export होता था through gold and silver coins भी हमें मिलते थे return में, और हम उन्हें goods देते थे, है ना, क्योंकि they were working as a trader. But now all the Indian goods are also going. Gold and silver they are earning in India only and taking that to the England. Okay, and then taking that back to the Britain, England, जो आज England हम कहते हैं, लंदन देखने जाएंगे, इंग्लैंड जाएंगे, है ना. तो बहुत अच्छा है. वो चीज़ कैसे बना, वो पावरफुल कैसे बना? हमारे ये इंडिया के पैसे से. इंडिया के पास में भी पैसा था, वो सारा पैसा ब्रिटेन में चला गया. कोहिनूर हीरा जो वो अपनी क्वीन के लिए लेके गए, वो भी वो कहाँ से लेके गए हैं? इंडिया से, है ना. तो हमारा गुड्स भी चले गए, गोल्ड सिल्वर कॉइन्स यहाँ से कमाते थे और यहीं से ले गए और ब्रिटेन को रिच बना दिया, ब्रिटेन को किंग बना दिया, एक तरह से आप कह सकते हो. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? नाउ द रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम द इंडिया, रेवेन्यू मीन्स द मनी अमाउंट, जो रेवेन्यू था was used for what? Financial company expenses. पहले क्या होता था? Before the Diwani right, all the expenses have to be done, have to be brought up by Britain and give to India for doing all the activities. But now the Britannians, as they have formed the factories, they become make their forts. They are from India, use that money in India for different purposes, and then the profit which they get, that also they take to their country. ओके, तो रेवेन्यू जो है फाइनेंशियल कंपनी एक्सपेंसेस में यूज होने लगा, जैसे कि ट्रेड करने में इंडिया का पैसा यूज होता था, मेंटेनेंस करनी है, ट्रूप्स को कुछ चीज़ सामान चाहिए, सोल्जर्स को कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ मनी देना है उनके घर के लिए, कुछ भी फूड वगैरह, वो भी इंडिया का जाता था। और फोर्ट्स की बिल्डिंग, फोर्ट्स बनने लगे तो वो भी बिल्ड होने लग गए, है ना। अलग अलग फोर्टिज्म जो है, ट्रेड हुआ, वो भी इंडिया से ही हुआ, दैट इज बीन ऑल्सो डन थ्रू इंडिया। Okay, so everything has been done through Indian money, and the profit which was been earned through Indian money, that has been taken to Britain. Okay, this has been done after the Battle of Buxar. Now, how they become the Nawab, this will be going to study next. The Battle of, now we are going to understand about the officials, the company officials become Nawabs. Nawabs कैसे बने? Nawabs मैं यहाँ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं है नाबॉब्स की, ठीक है। नाबॉब्स वो कहते थे, इट इज़ एन इंग्लिश स्टाइल, इट इज़ एन इंग्लिश एक्सेंट ऑफ स्पीकिंग नवाब्स, ठीक है। तो दे से देमसेल्व्स एज अ नवाब्स। सो हाउ दे हैव बीन बिकमिंग नवाब, if we have studied what had changes taken place, okay, they want to be the diwan, they got the diwani rights from the Shah al-Haq too, okay, who was a Mughal emperor. So now after this, after the Battle of Plassey, the company officials have started acquiring the Bengal. They have rescued each and they have killed each and every Nawab of the Bengal. They put a victory sign over each and every Nawab, they make them their puppet, and then they died, and everything has been happened. So what happened, the company officials began to acquire what? They began to acquire Bengal, and when they become the Nawab of Bengal, they used to sum up the money and gift from the place. They used to buy bought up everything from the place, from Bengal, the money, the gifts, everything they used to take to England. In that only Robert Clive was the one who made the fortune of this amount. This is the pounds. It is about 4 lakh, nearby 4 crore, 1 lakh and 100,000 amount, or approximately of 4 lakh or 4 crore at that time. He have made an fortune, means he made a property from whose money? From Indian money. Okay, now all the company officials, जो भी सारे company officials थे, they were not like Robert Clive. They were honest towards their work, but they were not able to succeed in making money. There were many reasons. First, they are not so much greedy. They have come only for trade. Some have died due to some diseases, some issues, some problem. Okay, because the climatical change has been taken place. They have early death in India due to disease or war. They used to take part in different wars. So at that time, number of Britishers died even due to due to climatical change condition, because they have been coming from different climate, from tropical to the area they have been coming. So in that, these may causes death due to disease and war, and that may that everybody won't be able to succeed. Okay, but not all were being corrupted. सब corrupt भी नहीं थे और dishonest भी नहीं थे, और many of the cases में क्या हुआ, they were humble from the background. Many of the cases में जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे, कुछ ब्रिटिश humble भी थे, वो जिस काम के लिए आए थे, they were interested in that only. Okay, they were not greedy towards their property making. Okay, they have come for trade, then they love to trade. They find that here is a lot of money is there, so we should earn money and we should fulfill all the desires which is being required at that particular time. So they don't want to dishonest to their Queen Elizabeth or to their own region or religion or their country. So that's why they will be not interested in acquiring properties or anything. Rather, they were interested to do trade and to fulfill the desires and enjoy the nawabs as in nawabs, okay, or to rule the country for the particular period of time till the time they are staying in that country, okay. So this was the only things which has been understandable and which has been ruled out, okay. So now after this, tomorrow we are going to study about the expansion of the Bengals. Now they have become Nawab. After this, how the rules has been expanded, how the British are expanded to all over the India, है ना. हमारा जो complete India है वो किस तरह से इस इंडिया को एक्वायर कर पाए, ओके. वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट फ्रॉम दिस रीजन कि हमारे इंडिया को ब्रिटिशर्स ने कम्प्लीटली किस तरह से एक्वायर किया, हाउ दे हैव एक्वायर्ड द इंडिया एंड व्हाट वर द एक्सपेंशन फॉर्मूलाज व्हिच हैज बीन डन, ओके. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे एंड डू कमेंट that did you understand the topic till now, or is there anything which you've been facing problem in these topic after the video, so that we can discuss in the Monday live class, okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the expansion of Britishers, okay. Thank you and have